Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce a new artist model, which is body parts on the face. So I'm gonna show you the artist model. It's like this. It's quite interesting. Then just go back my Photoshop, stop sharing, and go my Photoshop, share. Then the first time, just preparation, you need to take all of your body parts like hands and feet and your face. Just do selfie. Now make sure the background is bright white and open up. So these are, I took the first time, open my hand and open up again my face. I'm gonna choose, yeah, just go that one and open. Now I got two photos there. Just select all. Select all and edit and copy and go to that one and paste. Okay, I don't need any more. Now two layers and then unlock and then make another layer, which is gonna be background, and then bring it down here. And just I'm using bucket tool and the color. It's gonna be colored. So just like, doesn't matter what kind of color you're gonna go, just make it clear. And then the first time bring it to the top, and then selection tool and the magic wand tool, and just select. And if you select the background at one time, it's okay, but it rarely happens. Then select this tool and select again and again and try to select background, but just a little bit left. On this occasion, click rectangular shape tool and then make sure add tool and add all of them. Then just get rid of your background first. And edit image and get rid of. From edit and command just cut. Now the one and just make invisible this and change opacity. And I want to make sure something the size of layer one. Just click the castle and just make it bigger. From for edit and transformation, just free transformation and then make it bigger. Oops. And edit transformation, free transform, then make sure the chain, it doesn't change its ratio. So probably that one. So I'm going to crop like this. And I want to make sure my eyes on my hand, just make a little bit bigger more. Okay, just click. Now, just bring back 100% opacity. Now it's clear. And put the make it visible. And magic wand tool again and select one time and quite easily. And then right click and select inverse. Now you can make that one and then visible. And just layer one, your face goes on top of layer 0. Now you got what that one, and then just click mask. So now your eyes are coming up the shape of your hand. And then just click here and change its effect is a lighting screen and color dodge. So I'm gonna go like overlay. And then I want to make sure something like, the size. Okay, this layer and flatten. And this one, just make sure it's nicely cropped. Okay, the right click and copy and paste. It's not here. From edit and copy. And I'm gonna open up my face. There's different face. Probably here. Yep. Open and a new face and paste. Okay, unlock first. Then click layer 1 and edit. For transform, make sure chain hit. And then I'm gonna make it smaller. Yep. Also, like change opacity to make sure position is correct. Yeah, a little bit off my options and bring back opacity 100% and then click here. Now you can see kind of face effect. Then from here, half circle and black and white, and it's gonna be black and white. Okay, now finish and just flatten from layer. And you got one image, just copy and paste on your board, all right? Okay, stop sharing. Okay, just give it a go. Let's try.